Okay, the soup, tomato soup is ready. I haven't tasted it. Jim said it's delicious. I put rosemary. Look at how much it reduced. This thing was full. Actually, I didn't use my half-size Dutch oven. I used the big one. It was 7 pounds of tomatoes. So it's got some Boursin cheese in here. It's got some pepper jack. It's got cayenne. Half a cup of milk. Couple tablespoons of butter. And 7 pounds of tomatoes, basically. So that's going to last us several days. I'm going to go ahead and put it in jars once it cools, and then put it in the freezer, and then it's ready to go. And this is the cornbread. Now, the chickens had half, or almost half. The chickens ate it up, my love, and I had one piece. I'm going to go ahead and enjoy another one. And then we got some baguettes from Manresa bread. They mill their bread daily, their grains daily, and then they bake it fresh. So you get a lot more nutrients in here. And here's the soup. Is it good, my love?
Delicious, my baby.
You worked all day, now you're home.
I know, my baby's been working all day here.
I know.
Making some
How is it?
meals. And
I haven't tasted it. 7 pounds of tomatoes, babe. 7 pounds of tomatoes.
I know. We're down to about a gallon of soup.
Yeah, I know. So, anyways, so Manresa bread, I really like them. Again, they're in Santa Cruz, they're in Los Gatos, they're in a few other places, Campbell. And if you look up their website, they mill their grains every morning, and then they bake the bread, which you're going to get the highest nutrients out of that bread. Or you can get your own mill and mill your bread at home. Anyways, Ewok had his leche. Hi, buddy. And so, anyways, we're going to enjoy. Oliver ate too. Hey, buddy. Oliver, what you doing, buddy? Yeah. You gonna go bed? Go bed with brother. Okay, my love. I'm gonna have. So did you taste the cornbread? How is it?
Delicious, better.
Yeah, pretty good. I definitely would buy it again. Blue cornbread. Okay, that's a wrap.